Hello everyone, welcome to Shining 3D's Intraoral Scan course. Oral Scan 3 and Oral Scan 3 wireless are super handy for capturing data. They are pretty easy to use, but there are a few tricks that can make your scanning experience more smoother and more comfortable. First, pay attention to the environmental lighting and avoid direct light source, such as dental chair lights, in the scanning area where you are working. Second, place the intraoral scanner stably on the tool surface, ensuring that the distance between the scan tip window plane and the tools is within 15 millimeters. Third, the scan tip should be centered above the teeth, and the movement trajectory should follow the shape of the upper and lower arches. During scanning, adjust the scan angles to create overlap between 35 degrees to 55 degrees. It is important to achieve at least 30% overlap between each acquisition, as insufficient overlap may result in alignment failure. Hold the intraoral scanner at a 90-degree angle while scanning the occlusion surface of a tooth. Hold it at a 45 degree for scanning the labial and lingual sides. Fourth, the complete scan data for individual areas should include the occlusion surface, lingual surface, bicorp surface, median contact surface for adjacent teeth, and gingiva for 2 to 3 millimeters. Completed scan data for a single case typically includes scans of the mandibular, maxilla, and bite. Fifth, during the scanning process, examine the scanning images in the camera window of the software and pay attention to any warning messages. Hope you enjoy using the intraoral scanners. Let's get started.